In the last section, we had a very short talk about filters. In this section, I'm going to show you a very simple example. Let's jump to the Visual Studio. If you remember, by an attribute, I tried to validate the data. For this example, I have to parallelize this attribute. Bye. I have commented it out. Inside the action filters, I created a new class and called it car validate made in and capacity filter attribute. As you can see, it's a simple class, a simple inheritance from action filter attribute, and then I had to override on action executing, means before happening and finishing the action method. The body is very simple. At first, I tried to hunt the data that I gonna inject and send to this action filter. So since here I am sending car data with a simple line of code, I cast it to the car object, and then car ID, made in, and capacity are provided. Then a simple check. If there is any car ID, I check the brand. I have to change it to car made in. No difference, but naming also important. So then I will check if the car is made in Germany and capacity is more than 4. I will try to send this line to the model error, I change the model state and send a status 400 bad request, and done. So as you can see, I can do validation by action filters. How can I use it? Inside the controller, like before. For this post method, I just use like this. That's all. So if I use the app and fire it, and then jump to Postman and change the capacity to 10, send, see, like before. But now it is happening by an action filter. If I decrease it to 3, then car is created. Please pay attention. In this course, I am just teaching the concepts. Later, in other courses, I will try to apply real business to a very real complicated scenarios based on DDD and the other type of things that I have to use. So if things are a little bit shallow and silly, the reason is that I'm just trying to teach basic concepts. But even in this course, when we move to real scenarios, I will try to make it a little bit more complex. Okay, it's done. Let's go to the next section. Thank you so much and bye.